the video, I want to say a huge thank you to one of our first ever sponsorships. Phantom is a brand for those that want to do more. A brand for those who want to push themselves and their devices to the limits. Phantom is a streetwear and motorcycle brand that is ever growing. I'm super stoked to work with these guys. Thank you for the opportunity. Now let's see what's in the bag. Kazam! That was corny, man. That was terrible. But this is actually pretty sick. This is their Phantom Club hat right here. They actually just released their second drop, so go ahead and check them out. There's some really dope gear. I'm actually gonna snag me a couple pieces. So go ahead, click the links down in the description. The Instagram and their shop link is down there. Go check them out. Thank you again, Club Phantom. You guys are awesome, and I'm super stoked to be working with you guys. Now, on to what you came to see, the E85. What's up, guys? It's Dallas from Shyft. I didn't think I was gonna be able to bring any FRS build related kind of content. But I forgot that I had a tuner. And what's on that tuner? E85. Let's go! So I was like, I gotta do it. I gotta get an E85 tune on this. Make a little bit more power.
Well, power, baby.
I don't really want to go turbo on this. Sorry, I just don't. But with that being said, I gotta drain my gas tank until its E-light is on. So I'm gonna go drive around. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'm just gonna kind of have fun with it. We are literally stuck on an exit. This HRPT and Norfolk is terrible. All right, this is really kind of hard to do this and shift and everything, but we're getting close. I never knew a tank of gas, well, half a tank of gas could last so long. Finally, after like 3 hours of driving between traffic and everything, we got the gas light on. I'm gonna run it a little bit more down on the way there, and we'll fill up with the E85 and put the tune on. All right, guys, we made it to the gas station. This is not a good angle on me. There is the E85. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous about this. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, I'm nervous. It's going up.
Relax.
All right, she's done. Almost 11 gallons later. Dang, I almost ran her dry. She is done filling up. We're gonna run her really easy. Just kind of drive her around a little bit. Let the 93 the rest of the way clear out. And then when my fuel trims get to a certain point, I'm going to actually switch over to the E85 tune. And then drive it home for the night, be easy on it. Tomorrow I'll be easy on it, and the next day I might do a couple pulls, and I'll make sure to get that on camera. First startup. Oh. So let's go to tuning. Gonna check the current tune. So now we're gonna go to right. If you guys do this, there's my stage 2 E85. Select it, let it do its thing. If you guys do this tune, make sure that you have this E85 tune already on your open flash tablet before you start this process. You don't want to fill up and be stuck because you don't have the tune. About halfway there, honestly excited, but really, really nervous. There it is. Turn ignition power off. Press OK to confirm. All right, now turn power ignition on, and then press OK to confirm. All right, switch ignition off for 20 seconds. Start engine, let idle for 6 seconds, undisturbed. Don't touch anything at all. Let it do its thing because it's going through calibration processes. 18, 19, and 20. Start engine, let it idle for 60 seconds. All right, so it did almost die, but it kept itself alive. What it's doing is just going through its calibration processes. It's okay. Just don't touch it for 60 seconds. And she's idling beautifully. She runs good. We're gonna go ahead and head home for the night. All right, good morning, guys. It is day 2. We're gonna go see if the car starts. I've got to run the target, so might do a couple pulls on the way and go see how it is. Now, I know I said I'd wait till day 3, but I've been reading and people say usually just like 5 miles. You know, kind of let the rest of the 93 clear out, let some of the 85 get into the system. I drove it for probably 5-6 miles on the way back, and then another 5-6 miles last night. There she is. Good morning, FRS.
Hello there.
So I didn't get to show you guys, but the bull on the highway, this thing wants to eat now. Let's do it over here. Let's see what it does. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing wants to eat. ready to do a little pull onto the highway. Hold on, let me get around this roundabout. Honestly, that is a much needed upgrade. So much quicker than it was, especially without a torque dip. It's amazing. I already got rid of the torque dip from unequal length headers and then also the Stage 2 Plus, but the E85 just added on to that and made it that much quicker. So worth it. I say if you own a BRZ, FRS, or A6, do this, please. You will not regret it. But that's it for me. See you guys later and keep on shifting.